Hi guys, I'm going to spend some time on the Escort. Now I've got some time on my hands. So as you can see, bumper's cracked and bonnet's peeling. Wheels need a refurbish. They're all pretty grim, to be honest. I'll do some body work as well. I accidentally just clipped a wall. Yeah, so I'm going to focus on the wheels first. I'm going to get the two off the other side, get the wheels off them, get the masses off them, get the bouncing weights off them rather, get the valves out of them, give them a good clean. Da, 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 da. These wheels are actually in really bad condition. I'll put new valves in as well. Made friends with a little robin. Say hello, Robin. He's gone shy. Margot, say hello. Yeah, I've called him. Well, I've called her. I believe it's a her. There she is. On there. I've called her Margot Robin. Yeah. So, little Margot Robin. Say hello, Margot. Yeah. Right, so the tyres are off. They're ready to be cleaned now, so I'm just going to get some soapy water, clean them all up. Anything that's loose or raised, I'm going to hit with the multi-tool. And there you go. Just gonna, anything that's loose. These two are not the world's worst. They'll rub down quite well. Get all the grease off now and then start rubbing down. This is the gold one. I started earlier. So basically, I've got two spare. One I've already done, it's over there. This is the gold one that I started this morning. Anything like this, I'm going to use chemical metal. As the fillet. Again, I'm not going out and buying anything, I'm just using what I've got here while I'm in isolation. Yeah. I've already painted the inside. Needs a bit of filler and obviously all of that, but we'll see how we get on. The idea is I don't want them perfect, I just want them good. So this is what I did this morning. Sorry, yesterday I did this. You can spend absolutely hours getting them perfect. That's not my intention. Get them looking good. Spend, I don't know, 2 hours each on each wheel. Yeah. Okay guys, just balancing the wheels. I'm on the third wheel so far, and in all honesty, they are not necessarily in the best shape. All three have balanced so far. There isn't any that wouldn't balance, but the masses, they're like 80, 60, I think this one was. Obviously, I'm not putting the weights on the outside. I'm putting them on the inside and on the lip. Yeah, it's a bit disappointing that all three wheels are a bit, but potholes, isn't it? Yeah. Okay guys, the wheel and tyre you just saw on the balancer is now on the car. I put the tyre on really carefully, and I'm going to leave them on the car for the next week or two before polishing them up with some, say, G3 compound or 2000 grit. Yeah, I'm really impressed. You know, they're not perfect, don't get me wrong. There's a few little marks and things on them, but the condition of the wheels that came off the car, in comparison, huge improvement. So for the sake of 25 to 30 pound and some time, they've improved the look no end. All of the wheels have had new valves. All of the tyres have been checked for punctures. Luckily there was none. All of them have been bead sealed, because every 3 to 4 weeks all of the tyres would go down by maybe 5 to 10 psi, and it would drive me mad. So hopefully this will keep those tyres up. And yeah, really impressed guys. Got one left, which is the front one. Just going to take this tyre off and put it on the other alloy, and then job done. Any questions, let me know. Hope you're all enjoying this quarantine. I imagine we'll see plenty of old cars back on the road after all of this, which will be nice to see. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Come on, Margot.